in today's session we'll learn how to create like expand and collapse option in a filter pane. So for example, here you're seeing this dashboard. In this dashboard, currently this filter pane is hidden. Okay, now if I click on this icon, it will expand one vertical container where you will see all the filters which are applied into this dashboard. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So in this page, actually I have already implemented this expand collapse option. So what I will do, I will delete this and I will create a new one from scratch so that I can show you how to do it. So let me remove this container itself from here and also this horizontal container. Okay, so now you can see we just have like two blocks over here. What I will do now, as the first option, I will add one vertical container over here. Okay, yes. Okay, and now I will start adding the filters which have been applied into this dashboard. Okay, so just click on any worksheet, go to analysis, filters. I will select category, then region, segment, ship mode, and subcategory. Okay, what I will do, I will make it as multiple value drop down, all these filters. Yeah. Okay, so now you will see that all these filters are already added into a vertical container. Okay, so this is very important when you are adding when you have to add like expand or collapse option, you have to add all this filter in a particular container, either horizontal or vertical. Here I am using a vertical container because I am showing all these filters vertically, right? Because on one side, right hand side of the dashboard. So for example, if your requirement is like to keep all these filters on the top pane horizontally, then you have to keep it in a horizontal container. Okay, so this is the first step which is done, adding all the filters in a container. Okay, so I have done that. Now second step is to go into this container and select add show hide button. Okay, once you will do that, you will see one cross icon which comes over here in a floating box. Okay, now the third step is add a horizontal container on top of this vertical container. Okay, and I will change the floating option. I will basically remove the floating option from this cross. As soon as I do that, it gets added to the horizontal container itself. Okay, if it doesn't get added to the horizontal container, you can just drag it and put it into the horizontal container. Okay, and next to this I will add a text for filters within this. Make it medium 10. Okay, so this is done. Now this, I don't want this cross sign to be basically driving the expand and collapse. Okay, so what I will do, I will edit this button. Okay, I will select image, and I have already downloaded expand and collapse icons from the internet. Okay, you can also do that, and that I will apply on item shown and item hidden. So for item shown, I will select the expand png file, and for item hidden I will select the collapse png file. Okay, and just click apply. Okay, and that's it. This is done. Now if I go to the presentation mode, If I click over here on the collapse option, it basically the whole horizontal container get hidden. Okay, and that's why you don't see all those filters. And as soon as I click again, this will expand that, or basically show the vertical container where I have added all those filters. So like this you can add like this expand and collapse filter options or filter pane within a dashboard. Thanks for watching this video.